Ross Branch asose kutandika bamusayi muto abagonzi ba ddigi obukodyo buliko ensangi zino olw'okubanga nnnantamegwa Africa bategesi balabye nga kyankizo okumuleeta no ku butaka abantu abakulu ko ne bamusayi muto amwegomba basobole okumeegerako. Newakubadde Maxime ne Branch bazinga basisinkana enfunda eziwera naye nga Vaan wangulwa ono ategeeza nti kano ke kaseera akatuufu okumwesasuza.
I'm looking forward to race with Ross. We raced together in Zimbabwe, Zambia, in Kenya. He was in MX1, I was in MX2, but I still saw him ride. I look up to Ross. He's a great example to all of us, the kids, myself, and the parents. So it will be good racing. I'm sure I've seen him ride today. He's very fast, but of course I'll do my best and we'll try to give the fans some good racing.
Wano Branch wategerezaawo bonna abamwegomba nga balina okufuba ko n'okwewaayo kuba teri buwanguzi bujja nga tobukoleredde.
You know, things do go wrong as with every other sport. So, you know, I've also been through a lot of injuries, but that makes a champion. You know, if you can get up after the injury and carry on doing what you're doing, then that makes a champion, and that's what you've got to work for. You know, you got the hard times of life is when you are injured and you can't get on your bike and ride. So every other time that you're on your motorcycle, it's a good time. So that's how you got to look at it. You know, you got to look at not the bad times, you got to look at the good times, and when you are down, then fight to get back up.
Ate omusayi muto ali omma akakasizza nga bwagenda okweyambisa obukodyo bwafunye okutuuka ku buwanguzi.
I'll do my very best and see if all the practice I've done is going to pay off. Although I've not done a lot, I'll do my best on 14 and see where that puts me.
Nga bwe luli olunaku lw'abaagalana abategesi basazeewo okuddiza ku bawagizi baabwe ng'era abaagalana 10 abanaasooka e Garuga bakwewangulira ebimuli.